paragraph number 1. Who's going to read it? Other than Aisha? Manu. Okay, so the Manu. I am right now. Yes, Manu, can you unmute yourself, please? See.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay, good. Please read it.
Ji, ma'am. Information and communication technology has revolutionized many aspects of our daily lives. Enormous developments in the field of technology occurred at the end of 20th century and the beginning of 21st century. Mobile phones, computers, and internet are some of the countless technologies that have completely transformed the world we are living in. Our lifestyle has altogether changed on account of these technologies. It was rather impossible for people to envisage such technological advancement in the past, but now domestic technologies such as refrigerators, microwaves, and washing machines are found in almost every home in our country.
See,
Thank you.
these are also, advantages of the technology. Information and communication technology has revolutionized many aspects of our daily lives. They have revolutionized. Okay. Yes, Manu, continue with the paragraph number 2.
Yes, ma'am. Probably about 20 years ago, no one could visualize such an increase in the use of mobile phones in Pakistan. Everyone from babies to the very old seems to be acquainted with the cell phone. New mobile phones with added features seem to appear every month, and many people find it incredibly hard to resist buying the latest version. The SMS/text messaging service on the mobile phones is the most popular among the younger generation, particularly. Originally, this was just a minor feature, and manufacturers did not anticipate it to use by phone owners at all. But it developed a whole new method of communication and introduced different way of interacting with radio and television. Well, we have a new language from texting.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
we have new language from texting. We'll be discussing this new language in the next class. Next, please read the paragraph number 3. Anyone else? Sayyida Sundas. Okay, Sayyida Sundas. I just unmute you now. Please check if you can unmute yourself now.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Paragraph. The internet has had an enormous impact on all aspects of life. While there are still people in many parts of the world who do not have access to an internet connection, the majority of people in the developed world and many developing countries now have access either at home, at work, and have the opportunity to use online information resources or communicate with others using email, instant messaging, discussion group. Amazingly, the internet has become a major factor in enabling information sharing and has had a huge impact on the availability of information of all kinds. Electronic mail, email, digital broadcasting, availability of information of all kinds, electronic email, digital broadcasting, electronic books or online banking, job seeking and application portal, electronic books. Reservation and online shopping are only a few the countless advantages internet has. Nevertheless, these changes have led to the need for increased security procedures to combat new types of fraud.
Yes, very good, very good. तो आपने देखा कि कितने एडवांटेजेस हैं इंटरनेट के. आप घर बैठकर बुकिंग कर सकते हैं किसी भी होटल की या इवन टिकट्स की. घर बैठकर आप किसी भी अकाउंट में पैसे भेज सकते हैं, ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. बहुत सारे और ये तो छोटे छोटे एडवांटेजेस हैं इंटरनेट के. बहुत सारे और एडवांटेजेस हैं इंटरनेट के. दिस टॉपिक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप लोग ये टेक्स्ट घर पर फिर भी पढ़िएगा आराम से. ठीक है. यस सुंदर, कंटिन्यू टू पैराग्राफ नंबर 4. Sundas, please continue paragraph number 4. You can unmute yourself. Yes, Baba. You can unmute yourself now.
The world of entertainment is constantly developing with the advent of new technologies. Digital broadcasting has completely altered the way we experience television with more interactive programming and participation. Digital cameras, printers, and scanners have enabled more people to experiment with image production. Technology has brought tremendous change in the production and distribution of music, as well as in the ways in which people can access and listen to music effortlessly.
गुड, शाबाश। तो इस टेक्स्ट में टेक्नोलॉजी के, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी के जो जो एडवांटेजेस हैं, इनके जो फायदे हैं वो डिस्कस किए गए हैं कि टेक्नोलॉजी के क्या क्या फायदे हैं, ठीक है, और इंटरनेट के क्या क्या फायदे हैं, राइट। अब ये 4 सवाल हैं, आप ये प्लीज पढ़ लीजिएगा, ये मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में लास्ट में पूछूंगी। ये सवाल जो हैं वो रिलेटेड हैं इस टेक्स्ट के जो अभी हमने पढ़ा, जो अभी सुंदस ने और महानूर ने पढ़ा। इस टेक्स्ट में से ये 4 सवाल हैं, प्लीज आप ये सवाल हल कर लीजिएगा, राइट। ये आपका होमवर्क है और एक आपका ये होमवर्क है, ये जो सामने है, एक्टिविटी नंबर सी, एक्टिविटी नंबर 6, इंस्ट्रक्शन सीक्वेंस। Work in small groups, read the following instruction written on a bank cash machine. They are not in the correct order. या पढ़ लीजिएगा क्या करना है, या देख लीजिएगा। मैंने आपको बुक शेयर की है सॉफ्ट कॉपी में, ठीक है, तो आप कोई भी कंप्लेन नहीं होनी चाहिए कि बुक नहीं है या ये या वो, तो मैंने सॉफ्ट कॉपी में बुक आपको भेज दी आपके CR को। That's all for today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.